Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games from a Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them on a Samsung Galaxy A03. And to do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store and actually try to find the games like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game that we can find. And now to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, open your settings and go for the family. Right here select parental controls and you can either disable them entirely or go for apps and games. Enter the PIN code and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards and go back. Now the game should be available right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.